Here's Paige Wiseman. She's a former qualifier for the United Rodeo Association Finals in Topeka.
Go on, Paige, hustle, hustle.
New leader, 15.531. Matt, you got a bell dude right here. 15.531.